Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys, and it is from Plants of Joy on Instagram. I will be linking their information down below. I've seen many people on Instagram purchase from them and be very happy with their purchase. So when she was having her sale during 4th of July, I decided to go ahead and purchase. And I did share with you guys that I don't know if I was late though, because I noticed it, in the evening, and then I shared it on YouTube. So I don't know if you guys got to see her sale, but these plants, as you can see already, are beautifully wrapped individually. So I like that. And let's see what I have here. They come all the way from, I believe, California. Look at that. I have to look if it's from California now. I'm unsure. I like how she wraps them. Very nice. Very, very nice. So pretty. Okay. It's down here. Next is a beautiful day so far. We got rain yesterday. We had a good morning, and then we got a lot of rain. So I've been dealing with that a lot. I'm losing. I've had to behead some plants, and I'm not sure if they'll make it yet. But yes. Feels so sturdy. Has a lot of weight to it. Look at those roots. It's very nice. Very pretty. And this is Echeveria elegans. I don't know if it has another name. I don't know if some people call it like the Mexican snowball or something like that. Not sure. Very pretty. Very nicely packaged. Look at this Lola. Very pretty. Lots of roots. Where'd you go, sun? The sun is leaving. Oh, there it is. I'm here. And this is a cubic frost. Wow. Look at those colors. Very nice. I like these colors. Got some pink, a little bit of purple, green. Very nice. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Last one, but not least. I love unboxings. I mean, especially if I don't know what I'm gonna get. As long as I know they're gonna be good plants. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's so closed up. Usually, in my opinion, I'm not sure. That means they were like getting some good sun. So yeah, I don't know what this one is. I don't know what it is. I can guess. I don't know if it's what's it called? It's very violet or something like that. I'm not sure. Okay guys, let me put this aside and then put these here so you guys can see them all together. Maybe I should make an arrangement with them, because I like doing it in odd numbers. So pretty. Let me show you guys. And there they are. So pretty. I think I'll make an arrangement with them. But for now, I don't want to lose these. No matter how much drainage I add to my soil, for now I will maybe place them in my greenhouse when I pot it up. I think that's what I'm going to do when I pot it up. So that's my unboxing for this beautiful succulents. Go ahead, guys. I'm going to leave her link down below. And you guys can check out her website. Don't be shy in asking questions. If there's something, maybe if there are specific plants maybe that you might be looking for, just reach out to her. I believe she has access to many different plants. So just yeah, reach out. If something is not there, or maybe like if she's doing, like, let's say for echeverias, maybe if you want, looking for a specific echeveria, maybe she can see if she can include that specific one. So you guys can just ask to see what you may be looking for. Let me clean this up so I can show you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So after when I was at my sister-in-law's house, well, I've been there obviously several times. She lives in the same neighborhood. But when I did the video and I was looking back at the video when I did her backyard, I just kept saying how much I love the mustard color of her table. And she had spray painted that table. Originally it was white. So I was like, I was looking at my cart. I added that shelf to my cart. The wood was warped, so it's a little bit crooked, but it works. It does what it needs to do. But anyways, I was looking at my cart and I wasn't really liking the color. So I said, I wonder how it would look with mustard. And I did it and I love it. I love it because it makes other colors pop. So I really like it. Here I have the cuttings that I did a while back ago. They're doing really well. So those are doing really, really well right there. I really like it. I need to do something with the green one and make a cute little arrangement so I can have the 3 right there. And I think those colors, any color I think looks really good next to mustard. Yeah, I think any color would look. Probably pink. Pink would not probably look good. But other than that, green, blue, red, it just looks really good. And then my husband, somebody threw out these chairs. Let me take this off there. Somebody threw these chairs out, and they're, I don't know if they're metal or cast iron, but come on, why would you throw them out? All they need is a little paint. And that's what I did. There's a fly over there. Move, fly. For some reason, flies like the smell of spray paint. This was spray painted on 4th of July. So I guess it still smells like paint, and I don't know why they like it, but yeah. But anyways, back to this. I love the color. Love this mustard color. It is by Rust-Oleum and it's called Golden Sunset if you guys are interested. But look at it next to the blue. I don't think you guys can tell. This is like a really, I don't know, like, is there such a thing as antique blue? I don't know, but that's what it reminds me of, like something that would be antique. And this color next to that makes this blue pop. So I really like that. It makes my other planters pop. So I'm really enjoying this color. And that's it. I'm not going to use this color anymore anywhere else. Actually, my little bench there was already, even before I painted this, I purchased it. It had a mustard color. And now I'm looking at it. It's a little bit distressed. Maybe in the future I might repaint that. But that's it. I'm not trying to go all mustard crazy now. But anyways, just wanted to share with you guys, if you have something that's looking a little, sad and just not exciting, try a different color and maybe you'll love it. Like this, I love my cart now. Now I'm motivated to pot. Also, the spot that I found for it, I am by this tree which provides a lot of shade for me when I'm potting. I don't feel so hot. There is sun hitting it right here, but it's not really hitting me. So if I wanted to pot right now, I'd be perfectly fine. I won't be sweating up a storm and being beaten down by the sun. So that's what I like, that I found a good spot for it. And yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, guys. share. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.